So dear viewers, this is another video of Rishikesh. So today he will explain about how to make chickens and he will try to make chicken biryani. So now he will explain how to make it.
Friends, you see here. So this is rice that you are cooking in current cooker, and this one we are boiling eggs. We are boiling eggs. Then come here, friends. So just on the magnetic stove, induction stove. So on which I kept the pan. So there is some water inside. So once there is that pan become wet, then I am going to pour oil in that. So once oil will become somehow hot, then whatever I prepared here, you check it. So these are chicken pieces which are mixed with that chili powder and other coriander powder and other powders. So meanwhile I am also cut the onion. So every person their style in cutting the vegetables and onions. So my style is this is big onion, so you can use it. So see how I am cutting. So it is your wish. So the way, the style varies depending on the person. So this is my style of cutting the onions. So it is better to make small pieces for easy boiling, easy cooking. So now it became wet. So we can pour oil. We took half kg chicken because it is chicken biryani. So you can apply 40 to 50 ml of oil. That depends on your demand. So once it will become hot, we will add this kind of items in which avalu, jalakara and other ingredients will be there. So these you can add. Again, it depends how much you can add. That depends. So meantime I have ginger paste and also have masala, and here these are items you can see. So biryani items are there. So those are all you can apply. So now it became hot. So you can add onion, add chicken. Friends, you can see the onions are here. I am stirring the onions in oil. So once the color of onions will change like reddish and pink color, that means they are cooked well. So friends, if you see, so these onions were perfectly cooked,
Brown.
it became also color also slightly changed. So now we can mix other ingredients into this. So these are already I prepared. So dalchini chakka, you can add, and
Ilachi.
these are ilachi you can add, and these are biryani leaves.
Tejpatta.
That also we added, and we will stir for some time. Then we will add chicken. These are very important, friends. When you like to do a biryani, these additional extra kind of materials we need to add. So when you add means it will give a different taste, like biryani taste. Now I can add chicken items. So these are the chicken pieces. So we are making biryani, that's why pieces are big size. So you can still this chicken pieces with already cooked items in the pan. So observe, friends. So once they boil for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Now see, you can check the chicken. It is boiled well. So it became a spicy chicken. But we are making dum biryani. So that's why the rice is ready. Already cooked rice. So this we need to keep on this gravy, and we need to cook that whole ingredients for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the biryani will be ready. So now I am going to keep that rice on this gravy. So you can do like this when you like to do a biryani. So this is biryani rice that we are going to mix on the already cooked chicken. After that we need to keep it for 5 minutes. So friends, all the rice I am moved onto the cooked chicken curry. So once we kept all the rice over that cooked curry, so we can keep that pan top over it. And we can wait for 5 minutes because already chicken is ready and the rice also boiled. So we are making a dum biryani. So on cooked chicken curry, I kept to the cooked rice. So this final scenario, we should wait for 5 minutes. So after that, we will see the taste of biryani. Thank you, friends. Now we will check the biryani is ready. So now we will check it. So see, we will check some portion. See, yummy. See, you can see how it is cooked, how it became ready. Some portion only we will check. So biryani will be like this only, mixing of color like yellowish and whitish. So now we will check it. So my friend will give the opinion, the feedback on this.